Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are in Arizona. We're at the Gila River Resort and Casino, specifically the Wild Horse Pass Casino. They have several in the Hee-la family of casinos right in this area. This one is in Chandler, Arizona, and it is about 15-20 minutes from the Phoenix airport. Such an incredible property. I cannot wait to show you this. As you can see, it has a huge casino, an incredible pool area, which I will show you later in the video, but great location and also just really incredibly well laid out with some great dining right on property and some other things that I'll show you. But I'll walk you just around here just a little bit and then we'll go up and take a peek at the room. But this is an endless sea of slot machines. Really well done casino. There's some shopping in here and whatnot, but let's go up to the room on the 8th floor here and take a look at these rooms because they are incredible as well. I was super impressed with this property. This is my first time staying at Gila River, and I am truly blown away. Really nice resort with just all kinds of other things to do, entertainment, lots of things like that. And these rooms are really good. As you can see, spacious, laid out nicely. They have your little goodies in the room in case you want to get into those. Refrigerators in the room. Very clean. Give you a closer look at those. And then there's lots of food and dining options on the property as well. And then again, you're really close to Phoenix and all kinds of other things in the area as well. So, of course, this is a 2-queen bedroom. Give you a look in the closet here where you have everything that you'll need there. The bathroom area is really nice as well. Very spacious. Again, very clean. The property has a really neat decor vibe throughout it as well. Nice big shower, double sinks. Just some cute little touches too. Like the property staff is really friendly, and that makes a huge difference to me when I travel. They've just went above and beyond. And you notice that from the minute you walk in. And I've heard several other people say it, so I know it's not just me. Let's take a look out here at night. I will also give you a peek at this view during the day, but they have a beautiful pool set up on this property. A really large pool area over by the other hotel tower over there. And then they've got a bunch of cabanas and things and little hot tub areas that you can kind of see from here. Really great property. And again, it's Arizona, so the pool comes in really handy pretty much year round, I can imagine. So here is a look out at the same view during the day. You can see you've got the mountains over that way, and it's really easy to get here. It's kind of a straight shot from the airport. And again, very close to lots of other things. But here's a peek down at that pool area. It's really a big property. And then again, they have other casino hotel properties. I think the other one is like 15 minutes away, and then yet another one, another 15 minutes away. I'm not sure on that. I'll try to include that information down below. We stopped at one of the other ones, and it was very similar. Really well done. Hopefully we'll stay at that one and I'll be able to bring you some videos from that as well. But overall, I am just super impressed with this property and so glad that we got the opportunity to check it out because we had heard so many great things. So there is a peek at all of that. I'll take you just out here and show you again. This Prime restaurant is supposed to be amazing. We didn't dine there, but I've heard wonderful things about that. Kind of walk you through the property just a little bit so you can see kind of the art and the layout. It really does have a luxury feel, and that's really no surprise. This is a AAA Four-Diamond Awarded hotel. Nearby you'll find golf courses, an equestrian center, the Phoenix Premium Outlets, again, Phoenix itself, and so many of the surrounding areas. Plus, you are literally 20 minutes from Sky Harbor Airport. So it is really just a neat place. I literally can't recommend it enough. And as you know, I travel a lot, And usually I'm not super surprised, but this place really blew me away, and it's a perfect choice if you're coming to the Phoenix area. So we're gonna go up the stairs right here, right next to the escalator. And I wanna show you the coffee shop really quick because they do have a Starbucks on property. And that's always a bonus if you're someone who needs a good cup of coffee in the morning like me. But we'll look out here over the casino itself. Again, real quick, they do have a showroom, all the things, table games, slots, entertainment. What else could you want? So we'll walk in the coffee shop here real quick, and I'll give you a look at the yummy pastries. But all of the information will be down below. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know if you stayed here, and I will include as much information as I can. Thank you so much for watching. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.